Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make strawberry mousse cake using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, including fresh strawberries, heavy cream, and gelatin. Next, prepare your cake base. A simple sponge cake or a crust made from crushed cookies works perfectly. Once your base is ready, place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 15 minutes while you prepare the mousse. Now let's create that delicious strawberry mousse. Start by pureeing about 2 cups of fresh strawberries until they are completely smooth. In a separate bowl, dissolve 1 tablespoon of gelatin in a small amount of hot water, ensuring there are no lumps. Finally, whip 2 cups of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. This will give your mousse its light texture. With your mousse components ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully fold the strawberry puree and the dissolved gelatin into your whipped cream. Be gentle to maintain the airy texture. Once combined, pour this delightful mousse mixture evenly over your chilled cake base. Now, the hardest part. Refrigerate the cake for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until it is perfectly firm and set. Your strawberry mousse cake is now ready for its grand reveal. Garnish it with fresh strawberries, a few mint leaves, or a light dusting of powdered sugar for an elegant touch. Then, slice into your creation and enjoy the light, refreshing flavors. It's a perfect dessert for any occasion. And hey, if you're looking to keep your kitchen spotless after all that baking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.